Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The carrot and stick were used by Chinese officials to calm protests, ease anxiety, and revive animal spirits. Only Japan was able to make it among the big bourses. The Stoxx 600 may be recovering around half of yesterday's 0.65% drop due to softer than expected German and Spanish inflation. U.S. equity futures are now firmer by 0.5%. Dollar is losing a lot of its gains from yesterday. With gains of approximately 1.3%, the Antipodeans lead the charge. Yesterday's loss has been fully recouped and gold has surged above $1,755 in Europe this morning. January WTI has extended its recovery from yesterday's $73.60 low and now stands at $79.65 before stabilizing. Asian Pacific market. The apparent assistance of Chinese police and censors, protests eased in many cities. Chinese officials also made several announcements that encouraged sentiment. Officials from the central government reiterated that local authorities shouldn't be too strict with COVID restrictions. They should respond to reasonable public requests and minimize the impact. Japan earlier today reported on October retail sales and jobs. At 2.6%, the unemployment rate remained unchanged. The range of the dollar against the Japanese yen is unchanged from yesterday. Yesterday's lows for the Australian dollar were near their lowest yesterday, and it recovered almost to yesterday's high yesterday before stalling. Market of Europe. Spanish headline inflation fell due to subsidies for fuel and electricity. German states also report preliminary November CPI numbers. It is possible that the same story may be unfolding in Germany as in Spain. The headline rates in 6 of the states that reported had fallen, but energy prices were higher thanks to subsidies. Yesterday's euro saw a major downside reversal. It made new highs before turning around and falling below its previous low. The euro rebounded to $1.0395 today, despite no follow-through selling. Yesterday, sterling was purchased for $1.1940. It has also not seen any follow-through sales today, and is now at 1.2065. Market of America. 5 regional Fed surveys were reported yesterday by the Dallas Fed. 3 of them have been more successful than expected. New York, however, was below zero. Today's attention turns to house prices. Tomorrow, Bowman and Cook will speak in front of Powell, and Powell will release the Fed's Beige Book. The third quarter deficit in Canada's current account was almost 3 times larger than what Bloomberg predicted. Canada is accustomed to having a current account deficit, but the surplus in this quarter was unusual. Yesterday's gains were not fully recouped by the greenback, and it fell to CAD 1.3410. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.